from the soil.
It takes time for a seed to grow. Plants need water to grow and get bigger. They get water from the rain and from us.
If you have plants in the garden, you have to water them.
Week 3. As the seed grows, the roots get longer. The roots help the seed get more water and food from the soil so it can get bigger.
A lot of things happen underground. I am the sun. I give the plant light.
That light has energy.
The leaves take the energy from the light and turn it into plant energy so it can keep growing.
The main structures that most plants are made of are roots, stems, leaves, flowers, and seeds. Plants use their roots like straws. They can absorb water and nutrients from the soil. The roots also help to support the plants in the soil, and some roots act as a storage for food. The stems allow nutrients from the roots to go up into the plant, and the leaves are the parts of the plant that actually make the food for the plant. Through photosynthesis, they can provide the nutrients such as glucose and other things that the plants need. The flowers contain the seeds, and the flowers attract pollinators that help with reproduction, and the seeds themselves are the parts of the plant that form new plants, so they are very important to the plant. Plants need
their food, nitrogen from the soil, and
the sun and the earth and the water, of course.
So the roots in the plants basically suck up nutrition from the ground. I think the answer to that is that most of the nutrients that end up serving as food for a plant are basically in the air.
I know the word is photosynthesis.
There's some process inside the plant where it absorbs the
Don't eat food the way animals do. They make food inside their cells. It happens in these tiny green bodies called chloroplasts in a process called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the source of all our food and all our oxygen. A chloroplast is like a tiny factory. As Hellman saw, one of the key raw materials is water. But he couldn't see the other raw material, an invisible gas in the air called carbon dioxide. The chloroplast uses the energy in sunlight to combine the carbon dioxide and the water into a kind of sugar called glucose. The sun's energy is stored in the glucose. The reaction also makes oxygen, which is released into the atmosphere. The plant uses the sugar's energy to make all the other materials it needs to grow. By eating the plant, we can take a bite of all that stored solar energy and use it to power our own lives.